Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Gimp tutorials how to select multiple layers. For example, I will create new file with the default template settings, and in here we have the background layer. So if you want to add more layer, click at this icon, click OK, and I will draw a rectangle for this layer with a red color. We create again another layer, and I will draw ellipse. We set color into blue. And then you can click select, click none. So in here we have 3 layers. You can see we click in this layer, we move the red object, and this is for backgrounds, and this is for the layer 1. So if you want to select all layers, you can click at this icon links. Will link within these 2 layers. It will be automatically move these 2 layers. So it will be select the 2 layers. If you want to move again the background, you can click at this icon, and you can move the backgrounds and all layers. To release, you only click at this icon again, and it will be set into single layer. Okay, that's it for basic Gimp tutorials how to select multiple layers. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.